Hello and welcome to my channel, U.S. Visa Journey. My name is Thomas Lappin and I'm an attorney licensed to practice law since 1997. My practice focuses on immigration law for clients here in the U.S. and abroad, as well as criminal defense for clients in California. Bringing your spouse or fiancé here to the U.S. If you're married to a U.S. citizen and you live here in the United States, you can file a family-based petition, and that will process here in the U.S. through USCIS at your local office. Once that visa is approved, it will be forwarded to the consulate in the country where your spouse lives for the process of consular processing. It's a very complicated process, but to simplify it here, once the visa is approved and the consulate has the visa, they will schedule an interview and a medical exam, and your relative will hopefully eventually be able to come to the U.S., barring any unforeseen circumstances. To bring a fiancé here is a similar process where you file the visa for the fiancé here in the U.S. with USCIS. Once it's processed, it gets forwarded to the consulate for an interview. If the relative is approved at the interview, they will be given a visa to enter, and then you have 90 days to marry. Once married, you will then pursue the adjustment of status application before USCIS. Adjustment of status is for spouses and fiancés who entered the U.S. who are both lawfully present in the United States. As most people know, in the last 6 months, the enforcement policies of USCIS and Immigration and Customs Enforcement have changed dramatically. Prior to these changes, if someone entered on a tourist visa and overstayed that visa, but later married a U.S. citizen, they would generally have no problem adjusting their status and getting their lawful permanent residence or green card status. Unfortunately, that's changing, especially in certain field offices, including San Diego and Santa Ana at this time. If you are an overstay, you are potentially subject to arrest and detention and will be unable to continue the process. It's very important that you consult an experienced immigration attorney that can walk you through the process, can identify any areas where your family member could be in danger, and help you avoid those pitfalls if possible.